Anyeke nebe President Megas Club onye Faruku Ibekwe Odogwu Prince Ebenezer Nwagwu onye eze nke izizi na Faruku onye eze na Faruku Ibekwe n'Ụmụahịa founding president na Megas onye eze nwanye Ụmụahịa n'Ibodogwu ọgụnyelu nwa darụ nwa ebe president Tilanyi Gabaniru tuweni onye eze na Faruku.
Today is our induction ceremony, and I'm proud to be here live on the red carpet with Big Obi Productions. And right here with me is the president of the club, aka Onyeze. Please, sir. Onyeze, proceed. We have the president of the club here. Today, history is in the making. Our honorable president is here, and we are very happy to have such an honorable man as president of this elite club. And sir, today, how do you feel about the induction of Megas July 13th, 2019, with history in the making, you being the very first founding president of this elite organization? Tell us how you are feeling today, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Big Obi. I am very happy and elated to be the first founding president and that is going to inaugurate our social club today. Today marks a very big history of Megas because we are inducting our members as well as having our inauguration, first inauguration. I am very happy and thank God for all his infinite protection and guidance. And I'm also blessed with a lot of members of the executive, my peers, even members of the social club. They've been cool-headed and cooperative with me, without which I couldn't have been a successful president as is looking today. God has blessed this social club. We have to go forward. And you, Big Obi, you are an integral part of this. And I do thank you for this question today.
Thank you very much, President. Enjoy the show. We'll be there to support you, and we believe in you. Thank you very much, sir.
Anyeke nebe President Megas Club onye Faruku Ibekwe Odogwu Prince Ebenezer Nwagwu onye eze nke izizi na Faruku onye eze na Faruku Ibekwe n'Ụmụahịa founding president na Megas onye eze nwanye Ụmụahịa n'Ibodogwu ọgụnyelu nwa darụ nwa ebe president Tilanyi Gabaniru tuweni onye eze na Faruku.
Chukwu wetalu na chukwu welugo owelugo 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 no 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 imani wene wemu iwe wene wemu iwe wemu iwe wemu akwa chukwu wetalu na chukwu welugo owelugo owelugo chukwu wetalu na chukwu welugo owelugo